Dwayne Wiggins here with American Financial's F&I University, and this is your tip of the week. Before presenting any protective products to your customers, be sure that they understand what they get from the factory with regards to their warranty. There's some confusion in the market out there, definitely when it comes to pre-owned, what still has warranty, what's left, in service date, when it started, what's the difference between the powertrain and the basic limited warranty, is it manufacturer certified, is it dealer certified, so there's a lot of confusion out there. So before you present products, be sure they understand what they currently have in form of protection. A couple ways to do that. First, you can use a paper graph. Go ahead and draw out, illustrate the difference between powertrain and how it's only the internal lubricated parts, and then the limited basic part where it covers all the technology, and show what is excluded and show what the manufacturer's responsibilities are. Or, better yet, going forward, make sure you have something digitally in place that you can utilize on a tablet or have pulled up on your desktop, because as we move forward in our business, as technology greatly increases, it's the paper that's going to be phased out, so you got to have a digital opportunity to review that factory coverage with you. And by having some type of way that you can review the manufacturer's warranty with the customer, they get a better education and an understanding of what they have currently with protection. So when you offer them opportunities to increase that protection, it will make more sense to them. So remember, review the factory coverage before you present protective products and you will have more success. And that's a tip you can trust. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to the American Financial YouTube channel.